Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this very brief message, okay? I'm introducing Oliabo. And Oliabo, if you look here for me, Oliabo is a new health and wellness company stepping into the wellness world with a bold promise to close the awareness gap around one of nature's most powerful resources, the olive tree. Now, for thousands of years, olives and olive oil have been celebrated, but only in the last 10 to 20 years has modern science uncovered the extraordinary potential of olive leaf extract, olive pulp extract, and other olive tree derived compounds. Okay? Now, these compounds are transforming what we thought we knew about Mediterranean wellness. Now, they also work at the cellular level, where real health is created. High-phenolic olive oil doesn't just support health, it upgrades your internal environment. Our nutritional products are crafted from high-phenolic olive oil, and it is designed to support the heart, brain, and cellular wellness. And this is just part of the story, okay? Now, if you want more information, okay, then put more information or more info in the comment section, and I'll send you a link, okay, to my free information page. And you'll learn more about our company, our products, our comp plan, and our powerful team. And it is absolutely free to get started in this opportunity, okay? So I'm Terry Brown, and I just want to wish you an amazing, blessed day today. Bye-bye now.